Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to AJ Kitchen Paper. Today we are looking at Agedashi Tofu, also known as deep fried tofu, Izakaya style. This is actually a lot easier than it looks. So come along soy boys and let's dive in. We're going to start off by chopping our soft tofu block into quarters. These are going to be big boys! And off to the side. Now fill a small bowl with some starch. And we're going to coat all sides of our big boy tofu blocks. So just give them a bit of a roly-poly, a little bit of a rub, and let's do that about 8 more times. This forms the crispy yet gooey skin on our Agedashi Tofu. Now moving over to our small fry pan, we're going to heat up 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Feel free to warm up any chilly hands. And then in goes our blocks of tofu. And we're just going to fry this side off until golden brown. Flip your tofu onto its top side to reveal those beautiful crispy bottoms. Now we really only need to fry these 2 sides of the tofu blocks. So keep flipping until you get the nice crispy skin that you'd like on both sides. Flippity flip, flippity flip, flippity flippity boop, boop. Now that we've got those crispy tops and bottoms, I think it's time to take it out. Now let's move on to our sauce. In a saucepan, pour in about 100 ml of Mentsuyu or Japanese noodle soup base and 100 ml of water if you're using concentrated Mentsuyu. Now a little bit of starch and water mixed together and pop that in. The quickest mixity mix of your life. Stir until you've got a nice goopy, syrupy sauce. Perfect. Now grab your tofu, plate up with some spring onions on top, and then drizzle over your goopy sauce. Drippity drip drip. I think this gal's ready for Insta, guys. Beautiful! Today's drink of choice is berry mix yogurt flavour. Think of the most artificial red flavour that you can think of. That's what this tastes like. Now I think it's time to have a bit of a taste test. Look at how gooey it is. Oh, amazing. And wait, check out the skin. Oh, there you go. Dip it in that sauce. Excellent. This is one dish that I thought would be really hard to make from scratch, mainly because in the name it says frying, which I would associate with deep frying. And with such a crispy skin, can you blame me to think that it was actually deep fried? This sauce, when you taste it on its own, it seems a bit strong, to be honest. However, when you put it with the tofu, just because of the amount of water content that's in the tofu, it's perfect. This is certainly one dish that looks like an entree, but turns into a main meal. Now bring those big blocky boys over to me. Till next time.